Welcome back to Glow Up. Today's tutorial is another Korean wave hair. This tutorial is more simple and easy to follow than the other tutorial I have previously shown before. Without further ado, let's start. We need to prepare an automatic hair curler, volumizing hair iron, a hair roller clip and a hairspray. Before curling the hair, separate a small parts hair on top of the head to put the roller clip. Then you can start the roll now. Start at the back. Then to the front. Simply pull out the roll after the curl. Do the same on the other side. Very easy, right? If you also want to have her automatic hair curler, the link is in the description box. After the curl, you can now remove the clip. Now start rolling them near the roots. Do the same on the other side. Beautiful! Now she is rolling her bangs. The next step is to give volume to your hair. We will use this. Just pick up a few pinches of your hair and start heating. Heat another layer. Next to the other side as well. Just add more to where you want to have more volume. See the difference? Now it looks like there's a lot of hair. Let's remove the bangs and finish it up with a hairspray. Put back the roller clip and then spray. Now let it stay for a few seconds and then you're done. Super fluffy Korean wave hair. For final look, add some earrings. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.